Good morning to everyone. Myself, I am V. Ujjwal Reddy, studying ninth grade in Akash Educational Institutions. Today, I am standing in front of you to say few important points about Indian space. Our India was well-developing country. Like that, our Indian space research organizations also well-developing. In the past, we launched so many missions into the space. For example, Chandrayaan 1. Chandrayaan 1 was the mission to know about moon. It was the first mission launched by the ISRO to the moon. Our Chandrayaan 1 was launched in Sriharikota in AP. It was well designed and directed by ISRO. It was launched on 22nd 8th 2008. It was the mission to know about what are the minerals available in the moon, like water, ice, especially what are the lunar eclipse fall on the south and north poles. Next, Chandrayaan 2. It was the mission that to know about what are the minerals and what are the eclipses, atmospheric conditions on the moon. It was consisting two parts. One is lander Praganya and rover Vikram. Lander Praganya and rover Vikram to know about the moon. It was almost all reached to the moon, but last moment some technical issues were occurred on the space. That's why it was crashed on the moon itself. But Vikram was sent some signals to the NASA control room. Next, Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan 3 was as it is like Chandrayaan 2. It was launched on 14th July 2023. It was consisting lander Praganya and rover Vikram. It was also know about moon. It was almost all reached to the moon orbit on August 5th. It was landed on the moon on 23rd August. It was launched on 22nd 14th July. Next, our India was launched so many missions. First example, some more examples I will say. Next, Aryabhatta. It was the mission designed by ISRO on 1975. Next, Bhaskara. It was also designed by ISRO in 1979. Next, Aditya L1. It was launched on 2nd September 2023. It was the mission to know about sun rays, gamma rays, X-rays, what are the fall on the sun. Example, another interplanetary mission, Mangalya. It was the interplanetary mission. It was launched on 5th November 2013. It was the mission to know about Mars. Mars was the fourth planet in our solar system. We sent that mission to know about atmospheric conditions, minerals, what are the atmosphere present in the Mars. Like that, our India was launched so many missions. ISRO was formed on 1962. Thank you for this golden opportunity.